Flores. I am 50th grade, class B at Illinois Granada. Today I want to show you how to make my favorite recipe, banana cake. There is one ripe banana. There is one egg. There is 1 cup of oat. There is a pinch of salt. There is 1 pinch of sugar. There is 1 pinch of cinnamon. There are fruits to decorate and a pot of butter. First, we wash our hands. Then we peel the banana and mash it in bowl. There is a banana in the bowl. There is some oat on the banana. There is an egg in the mixture. There is a light salt, sugar, and cinnamon in it. Some baking powder in we want. There we mix everything well with the help of our parents. There's some butter in the pan. And there is heat from the stove. There is the mixture in the pan and soon there is banana ready. Wait 5 seconds and turn the cake over. This is how my delicious cake looks like. Finally, there are fruits on top of there is some peanut butter. Thank you.